Nachdem wir uns jetzt gestern auf den Weg gemacht haben von Rangirorer Stadt, gemeinsam mit einer Freundin in die Blaue Lagune. Das ist hier ja schon so ein ziemlicher Touristen-Hotspot auf Rangirora. Aber aktuell sind keine Touristen da oder kaum Touristen. Deswegen ist es da ganz ruhig. Und normalerweise kann man da kaum ankern, weil es relativ ungeschützt ist. Aber ja, wir haben zwar gerade noch mitten Cyclone Season, aber wir haben mal wieder Null-Knotenwind. Deswegen haben wir uns überlegt, gehen wir das Risiko einfach mal ein. Und ja, es ist schon echt ganz schön hier. Wir haben uns für heute eine Tagesaufgabe gesetzt. Wir waren vorhin schon am Strand und haben Kokosnüsse gesammelt. Und unsere Aufgabe ist heute dafür zu sorgen, dass wir heute Abend Pina Coladas machen können. Klar, ich kann natürlich die Dose Kokosnussmilch nehmen, aber das wäre ja geschummelt. Wir werden euch heute mal die ganzen Schritte zeigen. Kokosnuss aufmachen, Kokosnuss raspeln und danach tatsächlich auch noch die Flocken auspressen, um die Milch zu bekommen. Das alles für einen leckeren Cocktail.
Ja, den Rest müssen wir, glaube ich, laufen.
Leider haben wir erst nach einiger Zeit gemerkt, dass unsere Kamera anfängt zu beschlagen, solange wir sie in der Hülle lassen. Ich hoffe, ihr könnt uns verzeihen, dass das Bild nicht 100% klar ist. Aber die Aufnahmen sind wirklich zu schön, um sie euch zu verheimlichen.
What works well is if you have a hole which is in the ground and then you just
Also hier ein kleines Ausflugsziel. Blaue Lagune wird gerne angefahren und einer von den lokalen Bootsführern konnte sich definitiv nicht angucken, was wir hier versuchen mit den Kokosnüssen zu machen und greift jetzt mal lieber ein, um uns zu helfen. Er hat einfach zu viel Mitleid mit uns gehabt.
Salah. No, no. Lah. Ah, okay.
Are you gonna try? I like to keep my hands.
Stop, stop, lah. Stop, stop.
But you can try if you want.
Salah.
Wow!
Okay, in fact you do make it.
No, I watched you learn.
No worries, we'll connect the nuts and you will open them. Give me. Give me. Yeah, but then, hold on.
We want the water too.
Hey, yes. When it comes, yeah, see? That's problem. Yeah. Okay, I want it open and then glue, 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 glue.
Yes,
You know?
it's complicated to open.
It is, I know. Yeah, but merci beaucoup, merci. Okay, jetzt.
No, pas comme ça, regarde. C'est là, pour taper.
Okay.
Pas là.
Là. Oh, jetzt haben sie
Também ano pa apre.
Hah?
Nah, kau PHN. Nah. Tuh. Nah. Apre tatar to ini. Apre tatar to ini. Wala.
That's the truth.
That's
Okay.
good.
Okay. No.
Oh.
You're kidding. das will ich jetzt auch.
Don't hurt yourself, please.
To.
Too small, yes.
Petit.
Oui, trop petit.
Wow!
Oh,
Holy
sick,
moly.
huh?
Wow. You know
But I
Bud
mean-
Spencer?
Yeah, but
You know Bud Spencer? No?
Yes.
but compare, like
Yeah.
no muscles, muscles.
I know. Well done. Very good.
Dah, stop. Dah.
With more feeling.
Voilà. Pas appuyer, ça va prévenir le pipi. Comme ça, voilà. T'as vu? Doucement, hein? Voilà.
Und dafür schneller.
Hey, your turn. Let's go.
And then not sitting, maybe like this. Follow the light.
Asiko. Voilà. Nah. Got. See? Voilà. C'est bon.
So, jetzt aber.
I think I'm better in eating. Cheers.
July.
So, das ist ein Mipi.
Mururu.
Maururu
ou Mururu?
Maruru.
Maruru.
Good breakfast.
You still need to swallow?
Good day.
No, merci. Muru.
That's good. It's salty and lemony.
Yeah.
Chase it with coconut.
It's not so bad.
Trop évolution. Trop de évolution. Et là, avec les frontières, les
Next time.
Just gonna find you a better tree.
You're kidding.
Das gibt's gar nicht, oder? Jetzt will schon wieder anwählen. Wow.
Now it's your turn, Mario.
My friend. Is the bigger. Ja. Is bigger. Okay, it's hard. It's not for everybody. That's good.
Bien. ¿Tres?
Good job.
And you said you didn't have a biology project.
Yeah, you should show what you all can do with coconut.
So, can you tell us what you've got there? I mean, apart from the Coco Chanel bag, I think it's very utilizable for small things, isn't it?
Yes.
But it looks how do you? It looks solid,
Sturdy.
sturdy. Thank
We
you.
have a homemade plate
Wow,
and garnish.
beautiful. And don't forget
And the
your
prime piece.
beautiful hat.
Masterpiece.
It is lovely. It really is lovely. Perfect.
I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking? And I can't help but smile. Do you know how much I love you? You put my favorite song on. I put my feet up. And we just sing along. And I can't help but feeling. Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling. I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. Forever.
Step 3.
Forever.
Yes, coconut milk. So, you watered it a bit. A little bit more milk comes out. I don't know if this is the right thing to do, but anyhow, I
If
did
it works, then it was the right thing.
Looks already milky.
It's so satisfying.
Good.
You think that's it?
I don't know. Maybe I'll give it another try, but I think you did good.
Oh, wow.
You did good. There's not much more.
Do you use the dry coconut for anything?
Well, you could, but I decided not to do because there's so much of this brownish stuff. I don't know. So last time people were doing coconut bread out of it. When we did it, I was a little bit more careful in not getting the brown stuff in.
Yeah.
They didn't seem to mind a little bit of brown stuff.
No, they don't. So I don't know. You can probably. It won't harm you. But,
Might not be as fun to eat though.
I guess you won't even notice. I doubt
No?
it. No. I mean, if it's in the bread, it's not hard. You want to continue?
You can do this one.
Yeah.